Welcome to my channel Technical Intercept. In the previous video I have explained you a brief introduction of what is meant by number system and codes, and I already gave you a snapshot of what is meant by number systems and the types of number systems. Today in this video I will explain in more detail. So the types of number systems, as I said you earlier, are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. And I also said their base values. Here the decimal number system base value is 10, binary number system base value is 2, octal number system base value is 8 and hexadecimal number system base value is 16. You can also write in the subscript 10. You can also write in this way also, and 16. And the values they accommodate, decimal will accommodate from 0 to 9 because the total values are only 10. And binary will accommodate only 2 values, so the total values are only 2 and they are 0 and 1. And octal will take values from 0 to 7, total values are 8. Hexadecimal will take total values from 0 to 15, but you can't write 15 here directly. So write 0 to 9 and then A, B, C, D, E, F. So basically what I am trying to say you here is the value of A is 10 here, goes on, the value of F is 15. We can't directly write 10 to 15 because if we write 10 and 15, again it will come directly in decimal number system because 1, 5 come in the range of decimal. Just to have a little bit difference, we will use A, B, C, D, E, F. Programmers mostly use binary and hexadecimal, and binary and hexadecimal are mostly interlinked because binary takes only 2 values and hexadecimal takes 16. So 16 can be also written as 2 power 4. So there is a directly interrelation between them. As per their convenience, programmers use binary and hexadecimal. You can also say the internal language what the computer understands is binary, and the assembler, interpreters, compilers, and in coding we use mostly hexadecimal. You might have seen in computer that if an error occurs, the computer shows you error in the form of some location called 0, 0, E, F, F. Here in this memory space or in this memory location, an error has formed. It will show you like this, right? So basically the computer tries to tell you things in the form of hexadecimal, but the internal language of computer is binary. It means computer only understands binary language, binary number system, not other types of number system. In abstraction layer, it means where the normal user interacts in the decimal number system. He will give value in the form of decimal number system, but the computer understands in the form of binary. Okay. Now, when it comes to convergence, here every decimal number system has weight. Okay, weight, what is mean by means each position of a digit in decimal number system. If you take the value 1, 3, 4, 4, each place of a digit has some weight, it means some importance. Like here the 4 values 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, okay, like this, and goes on like this. Okay, now to explain you the weight system of binary, to explain you the positioning of a binary number system, I'll take an example of binary. Uh, take binary number system example like 0, 1, 1, 0. You can't write 2, 3, 4 here because the binary number system only takes 2 values, zeros and ones. Now the each digit in this club of numbers has some weight, 2 power 0, because the radix value of binary is 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Similarly in octal you can take values in between 0 to 7, not beyond that and not less than that. And in the club of numbers each digit has some weight. Let me explain you with example. Take this 1, 3, 4 second. You cannot write 8 here. Okay, it will exceed the range if you write. Now the 7th position is 8 power 0, 8, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. It means what I am trying to tell you here is each digit in a club of numbers have some weight. That is the meaning of position number system. Whereas in non-position number system, you don't have weights. Example of non-position number system, as I said you earlier in the previous video, is XS3 code Roman values.